Now, women have long been discriminated against in the Indian Army. They have had to take a different path from men to become officers and have been denied access to the all-male National Defence Academy. Now, the government has been forced to change its policies.
17-year-old Ananya Sharma is determined to join the Indian Army. Getting into India's National Defence Academy is no easy feat. You need to beat thousands of applicants in mathematics, science, and physical fitness. And until recently, you also needed to be a boy. Not anymore. After India's top court called the government discriminatory for not letting girls into the Defence Academy, it has opened its doors to everyone. Sharma dreams of being in the first cohort of girls to walk through the academy's gates.
The decision came just right now when I'm supposed to choose which path I want to go on. So it's basically for me. I'm the person who it actually belongs to. I want to make everyone understand that I'm different. I can actually be a trend setter.
Sharma was a toddler when her uncle was killed in action and posthumously honoured with one of India's highest gallantry awards. She remembers being scared and confused about the loss as a child. But now, she wants to carry forward a proud tradition of serving the country. It won't be easy. There are women in the Indian Army, but they make up less than 1% of its strength. Women are given shorter tenures, rarely awarded pensions, and are only eligible to enroll at an older age. Being allowed into the academy straight out of school changes that, and is the latest victory in a decades-long battle for gender equality in the armed forces. There are those, however, who say change would be seriously problematic. Lieutenant General Raj Kadian says there is a reason the army is not an equal opportunity employer. Even if rigorous training standards are diluted in the academies for women, the harsh conditions and challenges on field cannot be changed for them. Kadian also questions enforcing gender equality in the army at a time when it is still absent in society. The retired general says accepting a female officer could be difficult for men recruited from villages.
In the villages, he has seen women only taking orders, not giving orders. So it's very difficult for a man to suddenly, because his own uniform. We have to also respect their sentiments, their customs.
But Sharma's mother Surbhi is unmoved by the general's concerns. She says that orders are orders, no matter who issues them.
Being a disciplined force, you're supposed to obey your senior, be it a male or be it a female. So I don't think so there should be any kind of reservations of that.
Even though combat roles are so far still out of reach for women, Sharma wants to join the infantry. Her younger sister Ananta even wrote to the president asking why women weren't allowed into combat. Sharma is convinced that a woman considered able enough to look after her home and family can just as well protect her nation too.